How are you? I am Shubhashankar Ghosh, Curator, Science City, Kolkata. Today, I am going to show you a magic. And what you have to do? You have to observe it very carefully. And then, in the comment section of this video, you are going to tell me what exactly happened and why it happened. Correct? You are ready? Okay. So, you can see that there are two glasses in front of me, and in both the glasses I have kept egg, normal eggs. Okay, the similar size egg is kept on both the glasses, and on my left I have kept a glass which is full of a liquid which is colorless. I don't know that what this liquid is all about. Similarly, on my right I have a bottle in which there is again a liquid which is totally colorless. So here also there is a liquid, here also there is a liquid. Now the magic will begin in a manner that I will add this liquid to the egg which is kept in this glass, and I will add this liquid to the egg which is kept in this glass. Okay, so observe very carefully what happens next. So this entire egg is covered with this particular liquid. Okay, similarly we are now going to add this liquid into this egg. So I have added liquid in both the glasses, and see very carefully. Can you see any difference? See very carefully. Okay, so we will keep this experiment to go on for some time, and till that time we will wait and we will observe very carefully. Okay. Hello children, I'm back after 3 hours. So the reaction was going on for the last 3 hours, and now we are going to check what happened. Now see this glass very carefully. You can see the egg still immersed in the solution. Okay, the solution that we added from this glass, and as you can see that nothing much has changed here. Okay, we have added this solution to this, another colorless solution. Now as you can see from the distance, the appearance is little different. You can see my finger, some frothy thing has come up. Now let's see in the close-up. Can you see? Okay, the entire egg is covered by some bubble kind of thing, and if you see very carefully, you can even see the reactions are going on. Okay, bubbles are still coming out. Can you see that? So in both the cases we have added colorless solutions, but in one case almost nothing has happened, and in other case a huge reaction is going on. Bubbles are coming out, froths are getting deposited on the top of it. So the magic is inside this chemical. So anything which is colorless may not be of the similar character. So you need to tell me the name of this chemical. I'm giving you a hint. This chemical is regularly used in kitchen to make tasty dishes, and the name of this chemical starts with V. So write in the comment section what is the chemical, what is going on inside this, because of which we have seen this. And if you happen to get this chemical in your kitchen, so do perform this experiment and allow this egg to stay inside this glass for around 48 hours. After that, I promise you, you are going to see something that you have never seen in your life. Share your videos. We are waiting for your video. For the time being, bye bye.